like I said, they want him hooked up and brought down. So I'm just gonna go with driver's side approach. Yeah, he's nice to meet too. He's just. How you doing, my man? I'm gonna need you to step out, bro. We have some stuff to talk about, okay? You just have some stuff to talk about.
Every time y'all talk about,
you
have some stuff to talk about, y'all can take me to jail, but for what?
Okay. We have some stuff to talk about.
Hold on. Where is he coming?
Yes.
Never.
Okay,
No, because I call my attorney right now. Hey, this ain't no funny shit.
Okay.
But if y'all talking about that shit with Terry Young,
Hand me the key.
hold on, is it a warrant?
Just hand me the key.
Hold on.
I'll explain it all.
Hold on, is y'all think there was some funny shit?
Yep.
Y'all think the fuck me, bro.
Like I said, you
If
need to
y'all
step out
think
of the
there's
vehicle.
funny shit with me, y'all can tell me right now. Y'all can call me out my attorney.
You need to step out of the vehicle.
Hang my
And I'm going to explain it all when you step out.
Why?
Hand me the keys.
Step out of the vehicle.
Just hand me the keys. This is not a law for you.
See, y'all keeping it buck with me, bro. Y'all put me over my headlights.
Okay. Yep. I'm already past that. You need to step out of the vehicle.
Okay, we passed that, so where we at then?
Okay. You need to step out of the vehicle.
So where are we at then?
And I'm going to explain it all when you step out.
But when you say step out of the vehicle, you can explain to
This
me.
is not a law for
If
you.
you gotta search my vehicle.
Hey, man, you've been super cool.
Get out of the car now!
Yes, you can presume.
It's got a fucking drag.
Dick Rose with Patton LTAC 2, third pursuit with shots fired. Westbound 94, down with the employee Frank 402.
What's the about the car stop?
You can do a stop for 4 seconds. Car stop for detected.
Garrett, swing around the other side.
Yep.
Just hold that gunpoint.
Hey, man. Hey, stay with me, man. Hey, stay with me.
Garrett, swing around the other side.
Stay with me, man. Hey.
Garrett, just hold on that gunpoint. Just hold on that
I'm gonna
gunpoint,
grab my
man.
med bag. Hey, stay with me, man.
Stay with me.
Stay with me.
I need this.
Okay.
My way. My way. Med bag. Stay with me. Hey, man. Straighten his legs out. Me too. He's something. Yep. Keep breathing, man. Keep breathing. Keep breathing.
Stay with us.
What do you think?
2 abdomen. 3 abdomen.
We need occlusive dressing. I need something. Scissors. Scissors. Scissors.
I don't see scissors.
473 to 2506,
Give me a
bandage.
Give me a scissors. Scissors. No, I need scissors.
No, we're good.
Alright, give me some gauze to the back.
My med bag.
I don't have scissors.
Cut it. Hold on. Good. Okay. I got one in the shoulder.
2.
No, I need let's roll right.
No, we're good.
What's in his back? You got scissors? In my med bag.
One on the left.
Right here. Okay. Cut it.
Does somebody have
I don't see
Cut
it. Blood coming out.
Hold on.
Okay, give me some guys.
I got one to the
Give me some
shoulder.
guys.
Okay, hold on. Let's roll right.
I don't have a pulse to start
Let's
switching.
his back.
There, cut his back. We have one on the left, let's see.
Okay.
You have AED?
I don't see any blood.
I do. Go grab one.
Take care.